So good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about we are continue our maths topic. So what is that? Previously we discussed about the count and write the numbers in each box. So tick right mark the number that stands for more. Okay na? So cross out the number that stands for less. So which stands for less and which stands for correct means you can take a right mark. Okay na? First one we already completed. Then I'm going to repeating that. What is this? This is a how many are there? You can count it, Amma. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 6. Okay. 6. Completed? Right. Then how many are there? This one. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 are there. Okay. So then now comes to the tortoise. So here the tortoise are there now. Here once see this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4. I am writing here 4. So this side you can go for this. How many are there? See that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Here I am writing 5. Okay na? Okay. Comes to the page number 75. Page number 75. See here in that page number 75. So fishes are there. See here yellow color fishes are there now. These fishes are, how many fishes are there here? See 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 3. So I am writing 3 here. Okay na? And see. So here this side 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4 are there. I am writing 4. Okay na children? Then comes to this kind of the dolphins are there na. I'll count the dolphins. How many are there? You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? 7. Then stars are there na here. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are there? 8. Now will comes to the which is a greater one and which is a smaller one. I will count it. Okay na? Now see here. In this previous example, what they said, count and write the number in each box. Tick right the number that stands for more. Cross out the number that stands for less. In this 2, see here 6 and 3. Which is a lesser one? This 3 is a less one. Correct or not? How can we say that 3 is a less one? See, if I will show this one fingers, I will show. Listen. See here. 6 means, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Then 6 is these many numbers are there. But here the 3 are there. Only 3. Only 3 are there. More 1, 2, 3 is there. 3 are extra. That's why. So which one is bigger one? 6 is a bigger one. That's why tick write the number that stands for more. Bigger one means you can keep right. Smaller one means keep cross. Okay na children? Then now 4 and 5. Which is a bigger one? 4 after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 after 5 na? Which is bigger one? 5 is a bigger one. You can keep right. And which is a smaller one? This is a 4 is a smaller one. Keep right. Wrong. Okay? Cross. Then comes to this side. Okay na children? This side again. What we discussed. This is a 3 and 4 is there now. Which is a bigger one? 4 is a bigger one. Correct or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 after 4 will come now. 4 is a bigger one, right? So which is a smaller one? 3 is a smaller one. Okay now? Now here comes to the 7 and 8 is there now. In the 7 and 8, which is a bigger one? Either 7 or 8. You see, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay now? 7 after 8 will come. That's why which is a bigger one? 8 is a bigger one. And which is a smaller one? 7 is a smaller one. Okay now? Right. Now see here. Now I'll write. Now we go for the number that represents more is greater. More means what we call? We call that is a greater. Less means we got smaller. Correct or not? So here the symbol is they given na. Symbol they given like this. L is there na, like this is a, so less than. This is L na. L means less than. Less. And this is a symbol is there na, this kind of the symbol is there na, that is a great or greater. Okay na children, understood na? Less means small, so great means big. Less means small, so great means big. Okay na? Okay. Now we'll count and we'll write the which is a smaller one, which is a bigger one. Okay na? We'll start the discussion about the smaller and greater one. Now these stars are there na. See here. This side how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 stars are this side. They written 3. And this side how many stars are there? Only 1. That's why 1. Now which is a greater than? 3 is a bigger or smaller than 1? 3 is a bigger one. Correct or not? That's why bigger means what I said? Great. Like this symbol. Okay. So they kept like this. Okay na? So here you can take as a 7 and 9. Here the drops are there na. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 drops are there. Here how many drops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So which is a greater one now? 7 and 9 I written. Now this is a bigger one. That's why here you can think that. So it should be look like a less than. Which is the smaller one? 7 is a smaller one. That's why less means what we written? We drawn like this L. Less like this. Okay na children? Now we'll do these problems. We'll do the problems. See. How many apples are there? Count it first now. Count 1, 2. How many apples are there this side? 2 apples are there. Correct? And this side mangoes are there na? How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes are there. Now I written 3. So 2, 3. Okay na? Now which is a smaller one? 2 is a smaller one. Okay na? That's why smaller means what I said. So like this, less than. Okay na? Right. We'll go for the next page. So we already written once. I'm going to repeat it. Okay na? So what is that? Again I'm going to repeat it. How many oranges are there here? See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there, Amma? 5. 5 I written. Okay. And how many pineapples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I written. Okay na? And which is a bigger one? Greater means 5 is a greater one or not? That's why we kept like this. This is a greater symbol. Correct or not? So then next one, strawberries are there na? You can go for the strawberries. See 1, 2, 3, 4. How many strawberries are there? 4 strawberries are there. Yes or no? Okay. How many guavas are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, okay, guavas are there. That's why I written 9. Here I written 4. And which is a smaller one? 4 is a smaller one. That's why like this I written. Okay, na children? Understood all of you? Then, so pomegranates. See here, pomegranate, see here. Here there is a 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there left side? 4 are there. That's why I written 4. And this side, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 I written. Okay, na? So then, which is a bigger one? 4 is a bigger one, na? Now I written like this. Okay, na? So, this is the thing what we are using. Clear, na children? All of you. So write in your notes also, in your textbook also, you can copy this information. And after that I'll discuss next one, comparing numbers using a number line. Using a number line I'll say. Okay, now shall we continue? Okay, comparing numbers using a number line. Number line is there a line, so in a number line we are going to compare. Okay, comparison are there. Comparison means how on a number line the number of nearer to 0 is a smaller, which is coming to near to the 0 means smaller. So number farther from the 0 is a greater than. Now previously we discussed na. So which is a smaller one, which is a bigger one, I said na. So coming near to the 0 means that is a smaller one. Far away from the 0 is a bigger one. A simple logic. Okay na. So you also draw like this line, big line. Compare 3 and 7. I am going to compare. Now 0 we started na. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I written up to 9 amma. See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this, now I am going to compare the 3 and 7 na. 3 I am going to round up. 7 I am going to round up. Now which is the smaller one means coming near to the 0. Near to the 0 is a smaller one, means 3 is a smaller one, so 7 is a bigger one. Okay na children, all of you understood now? Right? Okay. Now we go for this. See here how to symbolic we can write 3 less than 7. This is called as a less than number. So if you want to write like this, or if you want to write like this also, reverse also you can write it. Okay na? So anything you can write, 3 less than 7 or 7 greater than 3. Okay na? Okay. Okay children, now completed na. You also write like this. Now next one, I'll show next one. Now see here, smallest and greatest numbers are they given na. Smallest and greatest numbers means, see here ma. So in this 3 diagrams, once you see here, the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here count it amount 4 na, 4 I written, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 6. Here how many? 1, 2, 2. So 4, 6, 2. Now greater means bigger one. Bigger one, which is a bigger one? 6 is a bigger one. Correct, no? They written greatest is a 6. Oh, what is the smallest one? Last value. Small value means that is a 2. 2 is the smallest. That's what smallest. Okay, now circle the smallest number, tick the greatest number. Which is the smallest number? You can circle it. Okay, so smallest number you can circle, and greatest number you keep right mark. Okay, 7 3 1. Which is that greatest number? 7 is the greatest. Correct or not? That's why tick right. And smallest number 7 3 1. In this 3, this is the greatest. In this 2, which is the smallest? The 1 is the smallest. I'll keep circle. Okay, na children? Understood, na? Now you also do like this second question. 2 8 4 is there, na? In this 2 after 8 after 4, and see here in this, which is the greatest? 8 is a greatest. Correct or not? That's why, sorry, this is not the great means right, na? Great means right. And smallest means in this 2, which is the smallest? This is the smallest. I'll keep smallest one is a circle. Okay, na? Understood, all of you? So you can go for the third one also. You just, all students, you can do it yourself. Do it, Amma. Now shall I say 4 6 9, na? Bigger number is a 9. See the number line, I already said this is a greatest. And smallest 4 6, na? In this 2, which is the smallest, this is the smallest. Okay, na children? Understood, na? Very easy, simple, na? Very easy. Now think that is the fourth question. You can think fourth question, which is the correct. Which is the correct answer? Can you guess? Which is the correct answer, and which is the greatest and which is the smallest? I'll give 1 minute time to you all. Choose and do it, Amma. After that I will explain. You can check yourself. Fourth question, fifth question, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, all you can do it. Okay, na? Shall I say? Right. Okay. 5 3 6. Which is the greatest one? Bigger number is 6. So smaller number 5 3. In this 5 3, which one is the smallest one, Amma? 3 is the smallest one. Okay, na children? The fifth question now. The 5 4 6. 5 4 6. Which is the greatest one? 6 is the greatest one. Which is the smallest one? 4 is the smallest one. Understood, all of you? So sixth question. 8 9 3. 8 9 3. In this 3, which one is the greatest bigger number? 9 is the bigger. Correct? Which is the smallest one? 3 is the smallest one. You can keep circle smallest one. Okay, na? And now comes to the seventh question. Okay. Now seventh question. Seventh question. 165, which is the greatest one, bigger one? 6 is the greatest one. Okay, and which is the smallest one? 1 is the smallest one. Okay na children? And 8th question, 7 to 4. In this, which is the bigger one? 7 is a bigger one, right? Smaller one is a 2 is a smaller one. Understood all of you children? Very easy na? Okay, up to today we discussed this one. So tomorrow we will discuss about the equal to. Okay na children? Equal to.